welcome to the review of our live trading room for the week commenced 19th of October. It was a great week for our members and we had 4 trades, all of which were on the DAX, resulting in 3 wins and 1 slightly better than break even. Total return for the week was 7R or 7% when risking 1% per trade. So if risking $500 per trade, you would have made $3,500 profit for the week. Keep watching now as one of our senior traders, Mike, reviews in detail last Wednesday's trade.
Okay, this is a video of the trade that we took yesterday, the 21st of October, in the live trade room. It was a DAX trade. The 2 blue lines here are the hour prior to the UK Open, called the Futures Hour, and in that hour it had a slight rise up, but as soon as the UK opened, you can see we got this very aggressive sell-off coming all the way down here. There was nothing at this point that we could really do because there was no entry, and we just had to watch it dropping. We did then at this level here see a little bit of a pause, and we got a retracement back in between these 2 moving averages. Both moving averages were still nicely separated. This one was a little bit of a concern because it had pulled right back up, going against the direction that we wanted to take the trade, but it was still a qualifying setup. So we entered the break of this candle here, and we put our stop above the blue MA here because all this time we hadn't come out of the blue MA band. So the stop there, which was 15 points, entry was here, and it took us in, and the first candle came back up here towards the stop. Now, had we have had a tight, very tight stop, it could have just pinged us out, which would have been disappointing after it then went. But the stop was correctly placed, and it was 15 points here. After that first little retracement, we came down on the next candle. The next candle took us right to here. We were targeting this blue line here, which was S2, and S2 quite often in a steep downtrend from the DAX will be a target. If you're away 30-40 points from S2, many times it will go to S2 and then react. So the target was S2 here, which was 48 points from entry. In actual fact, it was about 50 points from entry, and we just front run it by a couple of points here, just so that in case it just fell short of it and then reacted. So the trade carried on, only 3 more candles, and we hit target here. You can see there was around S2 a reaction back up, and then it fell off again, but we had 15 point stop and a 48 point target which it hit, which is equivalent of 3.2R. As you know, 1R, we always trade 1R as risk, and that 1R is always $500, whether it's a 10 point stop, a 20 point stop, a 15 point stop. We always position size accordingly. So we had our $500 risk and we made 3.2 times that. So a very good trade for the one trade we took. After that trade, we closed the trade room. It